Good morning and welcome to Grace Church. We're so glad you've chosen to worship with us today. If this is your first time joining us in person, we would love to meet you after the service. Please take a moment to connect with Mr. Amit and Mrs. Sheila Masi or Mr. Vijay and Mrs. Neetu Blessed. They would be happy to get to know you, answer any questions and help you feel at home in the Grace family. Now, let's take a look at what's coming up at Grace Church in the weeks ahead. Join us this Friday at 6:30 p.m. for Testimony Friday, the last Friday prayer gathering of 2025. This special evening will be a time to reflect on God's faithfulness and hear testimonies of what God has done in the lives of our Grace family. If you feel led to share your own testimony, please connect with Pastor Nini after the service. We would love to celebrate God's goodness with you. You can join us in person or online through Facebook and YouTube. Team Nimanjan is organizing a blanket distribution drive to support those in need, especially as this winter is expected to be one of the coldest in recent years. Our goal is to bring warmth and comfort to as many people as possible, and you can be a part of this mission. You can sponsor a blanket for just ₹200, and we aim to distribute 700 blankets throughout December. To contribute, please take an envelope and mark your offering for Nimanjan blankets. Today is the last day to give, so we can prepare and reach as many people as possible before the cold arrives. Let's come together to share God's love in a meaningful, practical way, living out the church's mission: love God, love people. Next Sunday, December 7th, it's the time for the Crazy for Christ Sunday School Annual Fete. All the Sunday School kids are invited for a day of fun and games, followed by the Crazy for Christ Christmas party with teachers and children celebrating together. Everyone is encouraged to dress in Christmas colors: red, green, white or yellow, and don't forget to bring your Christmas cap. Come ready for a day of laughter, excitement and festive cheer. This year, our Christmas celebrations begin on December 13th with our Destiny Fellowship carols. We invite you to join us from December 13th to 21st for the Destiny Christmas carols. This is a great opportunity to bring friends, family and neighbors to celebrate Christ with us. You can find all the dates and details on the screen or on the notice board by the stairs. For more information, connect with your Destiny leaders. If you're not yet part of a Destiny Fellowship, reach out to Pastor Nini. She'll help you connect with a Destiny Fellowship leader near you so you can take part in the celebrations. Our annual Christmas dinner will be held on December 19th at 7 p.m. and we'd love for you to be a part of this special evening of fellowship, food and celebration. The cost per person is ₹300 and tickets will be available today after the service from Mr. Amit Masi or Mr. Andrew Johns. Be sure to get your tickets early and invite someone, family, friends or neighbors to join in this joyful celebration. The last day to purchase tickets is December 14th, so don't wait. Join us for Christmas at Grace on December 25th. We'll have 3 services to celebrate: Hindi service at 8:30 a.m., English service at 11 a.m. and an evening service at 4 p.m. Invite your friends and family to come and share in the joy of the season. The morning services at 8:30 a.m. and 11 a.m. will be live streamed, while the evening service is in person only. This December, our theme is Peace on Earth, a reminder of the hope, love and joy that Jesus brings. Come, be a part of this special celebration and experience the true spirit of Christmas with your Grace Church family. Come and join us for our annual fasting and prayer on December 26th and 27th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is a special time to seek God's guidance for the year ahead for yourself, your family and our Grace Church family. It's a chance to pause, pray, worship and listen to what God wants to do in our lives. On December 27th, we also spend time praying specifically for families. We invite you to take some time out during these 2 days to come together with us, experience God's presence and start the new year with hearts focused on Him. Here is a special announcement from the Lights of Grace Women's Ministry.
This is a special announcement for all the Lights of Grace. Get ready, ladies, for our annual lunch meet on 28th December. The theme this year is Joy in the Lord. Theme colors are red and green. As part of the celebration, we also have an exciting special called Guess Who? For details, stay updated on the Lights WhatsApp group or connect with any one of the committee leaders. Come, be a part of the Joy in the Lord.
Celebrate New Year's at Grace with us. Join our Watch Night service on December 31st at 10:30 p.m. Available both in person and online as we reflect on the past year and welcome 2026 with prayer, worship and gratitude. Then continue the celebration with our New Year's Day service on January 1st at 10 a.m. where we'll gather to worship God and partake in the Lord's table, remembering His faithfulness and sacrifice. It's a perfect way to start the year focused on God, surrounded by your Grace Church family and stepping into the new year with hope, joy and thanksgiving. Right after today's service, the Grace Youth Ministry will be hosting a fundraiser. You can show your support by buying a meal. Join us next Sunday at 10 a.m. for the first Sunday of December as we celebrate together. Our theme for December is Peace on Earth, focusing on the hope and joy Christ brings into our lives. You can join us in person or online through Facebook and YouTube. Don't come alone. Invite a friend or family member to worship and fellowship with us. Stay connected, encouraged and updated throughout the week by following us on all our social media channels. We wish you a wonderful week ahead and look forward to celebrating the last month of 2025 with you in all our services.